everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I DIY 3 of my shorts to make them a little bit more cuter. And I hope you guys get inspiration from this video to make your clothes a little bit more cuter. So let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3, funky.
For these super cute shorts, I'm going to be grabbing some white and yellow paint and just drawing these little cute flowers all over the shorts. Next shirts, I'm just going to be grabbing a shirt I had and I'm going to be cutting it up and measuring the size to fit one side of the shorts. You can use any pattern or design you want to make your shorts unique, and do it however you like.
One, two, three, funky.
For these shorts, the first thing I did was just outline Aloha with a pink pen, and then I'm just going over it with acrylic paint. You can use whatever paint you want. It's suggested to use fabric paint so it doesn't wash off, but I'm just using acrylic paint. Yeah, you can use whatever paint you want as long as you're happy with what you're making.
One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you.